lunch container here. You can use whichever one you like. This helps you keep everything separate so that the wet ingredients go in one compartment, and in this particular one, my wet ingredients are things like this cucumber, which I'm simply going to slice into slices. Cutting up things in small bite-sized pieces makes any lunch really easy to eat for kids because they're usually busy talking. Now these cucumbers I'm gonna place in the large compartment right here. I'm also gonna place some fresh berries. These are all moisture containing ingredients. So right here next to them, all mixed up like a good picnic. You have a little bit of everything. The turkey, I'm simply taking some turkey slices and rolling it up, and I'm gonna cut them into a couple of pieces. It really depends on what brand turkey, shape and size you buy. And I'm just grabbing them like this and placing them in my container. Now the remaining compartments, I'm simply gonna grab my cheese. I'm gonna place it in the smallest compartment, and then my crackers. Again, it's super important to keep the crackers separate, especially if you're gonna pack this ahead of time. And since the crackers are in a separate compartment, I can totally place the lid, refrigerate it overnight, and in the morning, all I have to do is take it out, place an ice pack in my lunch bag if you need it, and then the container plus a drink, you're gonna zip it up, and all you got is a ready to go lunch super fast. Today I'm making it with turkey, but you can pack it with ham or any other deli meat. The combinations are endless, just like at the store. The cheese, I simply took a block of cheese and sliced it into pieces, and I'm gonna pack that in there as well. Now, if packing lunches is a struggle, I also have this free printable lunchbox builder for you in the description box that's gonna help you build quick lunches by mix and matching the ingredients that you already have on hand. Now, today I'm sending some strawberries and blueberries in this lunch as well, but you can pack any other fruit that you and your child likes. Now, as you can see, I have my fruit, which is the wet ingredient, separate from the turkey and the cheese. And what's great is that you can definitely pack this ahead of time and have it in the fridge. As long as you take your crackers and place them in a separate compartment right here, they won't absorb the moisture from the other ingredients and it can stay nice and fresh. All you have to do is take your lid and cover your lunch nicely tight, place it in the refrigerator, and in the morning you have a super convenient ready to go lunch, which you can just take along with an ice pack and place it in your lunch bag and a drink, zip it up, and that's ready to go. Now the main idea to this lunch is rolling up some cheese slices inside of some ham. So I have a couple of slices of ham right here, and I'm gonna take some cheese and roll it up. Now that I have these assembled, I'm gonna place them in the main compartment of my big bento box. I also have some leftover corn from dinner, but a lot of kids like frozen veggies like peas and frozen corn. You can always pack them in a little small lidded container and put on a lid or in a separate compartment of the bento box. So I'm also gonna place that right here in the middle. The key to keeping everything fresh until lunch and making sure your crackers don't get soggy is to place them in a separate compartment of the bento box. Now to finish off this lunch, I'm going to place some strawberries and blueberries in this other compartment and put on my lid, and it's ready to go in my refrigerator. You can pack it up to the night before, and in the morning, you just have to grab that lunch, put an ice pack in the lunch bag if needed, put the bento box inside as well as your drink, close it up, and this lunch is ready to go. See you next time.